bagi hidayah terus berbahagia. Meraih kita berprestasi hingga mati berharap. Tak mampu zaman menghadirkan berat, sunnah Rasul jadi teladan. Menjaga yakin diri bangsa kita dalam banyak umat. Bahwa baik terlaksana kemalah amal berdiri. Dan agama wajib kita semua. Tak mampu badai menggoyahkan iman Al-Quran.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay, good morning.
Welcome to our boarding school, Darul Jumala Amal.
Thank
and
you.
we wish you have get interest for coming to this boarding. And we very sorry if you get any mistake of this boarding. And please, and we're very lucky for you to come here for this boarding.
Thank you for your coming. Okay, thank you so much for your. We are very happy today.
Okay, you are welcome.
Today is how to say, the weather is very cool. Yeah, and all students is looking so happy today. And thanks so much for everything today. Okay, thank you.
You are welcome.
Bahwa baik terlaksana kemalah amal berdiri. Belajar ilmu dan agama wajib bagi kita semua. Tak mampu badai menggoyahkan iman Al-Quran jadi pedoman. Menjaga risalah agama kita Islam kian berjaya. Salam mewujudkan jadi pionir bangsa. Semangat belajar tak kenal lelah, tergapailah kita. Tak lelah berkarya meraih mimpi, Allah jadi Tuhan. Masa depan yang gemilang dan mulia dalam genggamannya, dalam genggamannya. Thank you.